So this is a hydraulic hand, and this is used in working areas. So it's a shape like this. And these hydraulics are used in many of the solenoid trains, hydraulic, backhoe loader, every single thing, cranes. And the inventor of this was Joseph Brahma.
I still do not get where it is. Where is it used? Why do we use it and where it is used?
It is usually used in working areas like buildings. Like if they are gonna make a building, they take the mud with this and they start making it.
Are you saying it is used to dig the mud?
Also, it can be used to grab things, big things. So if I'm having this bottle, and it can take it like this. So the same way.
But I can do the same thing with my hands. No, why would I need this?
To lift up heavy objects. So this is like this much big, and a human is just this much small. So then they use it. And this hydraulics, these are invented on 1795.
So you're saying this machine, what do you call this machine?
Hydraulic backhoe loader, hydraulic.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are saying this machine is used to lift loads which a normal human being cannot.
Yeah.
Okay. The piece which is attached in the front in your machine.
This one?
In your machine. The piece which is attached in the front.
This one?
Yes. Is this for holding things and lifting?
Yeah.
How will it hold things? I can see a scoop. Where is the holding part? It's a scoop.
The holding parts are the hydraulics. So I'll show you.
No, John, please listen. Listen to the question properly.
Okay.
For holding, you need this, right?
Yeah.
But what I see is a scoop, which scoops out things. Do you understand scooping?
Yeah.
I'm asking, you said it's gonna hold things and lift things.
No, it's like this.
So it's not holding, no? It's scooping out.
Yeah.
So what are you scooping out from this, using this? What are your intentions of scooping out?
You can use mud.
So how does it scoop out mud?
It's like this. And the mud is like this. So the mud is like this. And if they want to dig here, and the same way they have it like this.
This is that scooping.
Yeah, this is that scooping thing. And they scoop here, and this place has been erased.
Then they have scooped out this mud and they put it somewhere else.
Yeah.
So basically, it would dig for you.
Yeah.
That's what you're saying.
Yeah.
What else it can benefit me? How else it can benefit me? What else I can do with this? What you have made? Hydraulic.
You can also, if you want to lift it and keep it here, so it's a little object, and which humans can also take. And can use this. Here. Um,
Okay.
okay.
Fine. Yeah.
So, you said that a man can keep it on the scooping part. Yeah, they can keep cements. Yeah.
Let him ask.
The cement part or the mud or anything or any object. So why so the man can climb up these stairs or there are lifts also, so they can go through the lifts and keep them on the terrace. Why we need this hydraulic fan? How much kilograms does it lift? How much kilograms does a lift need? No, it's like we should keep it if it's like a smaller lift, and they will only put it for 18 kilograms, or the lift will fall. Instead of that, they are using this. Or if they are heavy things like cement, they will have to take it and not from the stairs, because cement is a little bit hard, and if the stairs are there, they will get tired. And that's why they made this to keep it here. They can also use it for that.
How is it working? How does it work?
Now I should tell you how it works.
Close the door. We are not able to see that. Can you use it again?
Okay, so
Use the black one.
this has a liquid here. Anything, oils are used in these, like, now I made this. This is a company from the back rollers. So for that they use the oil. Now what I'm using is water. And I get some water. So you can see it. And then if this pushes, this water comes, so this is closed here. Yeah. You can see this place a little bit closed and this place fully open. I think you should see it. And this place is totally closed and this place is fully open. And the same thing like this. This is fully closed. And this is I'm gonna push it here. If I push it here and this comes up, if the liquid comes like this and this pushes, this material is been pushed by the liquids. And then we will keep it like, see, we will keep this here and this goes.
Slowly. Don't push too hard.
Yes.
No, don't push too hard. No?
Okay.
In this is not able to scoop out.
Yeah. And but the real thing have more scoop.
So you were supposed to do that, but
Yeah, but I did because so we can't see it. That's why I did it like this. But the real hydraulic hands have like this, like a hook. And but now I just kept it till here, so it's incompleted. So I also could have done it like this.
we have a question. Why this liquid inside this pipe and syringe? Why this? I could I could put a direct some rod, some iron rod, or some kind of a hard substance which can push things in this way. Why do we need these pipes and syringe? What is the point of using a liquid?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
What is the point of using a liquid? We could have, see, wherever you want to apply a force, you don't use liquids, right? Suppose you want to move the car,
Yeah.
you have mechanical hard objects
Yeah.
like axle of the car, steering wheel of the car.
Yeah, this is water
So
is.
you said you did not understand the question, so I'm explaining. Let me explain the question.
Huh.
But I'm saying over here, why do we need a liquid? So see, if you want to move this arm like this up, why do you need a liquid? I could just push it now with some force, with some motor or something, and I can rotate it with a motor. I can, right? Can I or can I not?
Yeah, you can.
Then why are we using these liquid thing? What is the point of it?
Do you mean to say that we can play it one way? So if you are lifting this like this, it's very easy. Everyone can lift it. But if you are lifting 100 pounds, they need some hard objects. Like now I have used it because I only need this much, not like hard oil or something like that. But in the hydraulics, hydraulics, they use oil.
John, please answer the question which has been asked. Oil, glycerine, water, everything is acceptable. The question is why any kind of liquid has to be used? Why the liquid thing?
Yeah.
You could have used the motor also to rotate the arm.
Yeah.
Motor can also do that, right?
Yeah.
Why the liquid? What is the point of hydraulics?
This is less mechanical. This is less mechanical, but motors have. So they'll keep a magnet inside. And like this. So they'll connect the batteries like this, and the battery's energy will be wasted. But water can't be wasted, like we can't reuse the water like if this is already in this, then why do we need to refill it?
Yeah, we don't need to refill it, that is fine. What's wrong with motor? Why this? John, you're missing the point. You remember we talked about how in hydraulics, in liquids,
Yeah.
when we apply force on one side, remember?
Yeah.
And there is a smaller opening.
Yeah.
And to the other side, where is bigger opening, the force gets multiplied. Even with a smaller force, we can lift, a smaller force can be turned into a bigger force. Remember Pascal's law?
Yeah, Pascal's.
Yes, no, just a second. Don't be in a hurry. You remember? Actually, that is the point of hydraulics. Otherwise, why would I use it? Because in liquids, the pressure remains same everywhere.
Yeah.
In the whole system. Because of the pressure remaining same, a narrow opening, a force being applied in a narrow opening, gets multiplied towards the bigger opening. So this bigger opening has a multiplied force which can lift or press harder than the actual force you applied. Yeah. That is the point of hydraulics. Okay. But this you should be the one who should have said all of this. Because
okay, now I'll explain it.
No, wait. Just a second. Let's take the question from Laksh. Laksh, kuch kehna chah raha hai? Laksh.
Sir,
Is it a question?
no, sir, it's an answer to your question.
I guess, sir,
John, listen to him, no? Please.
Okay. Sir, I guess the reason we don't use motors is because switches are not that significant in cranes.
How?
Because, sir, a person will get confused to see so many buttons because every turn you need a switch to control it. Like you need a DPDT switch. For example, if we use electronics.
अगर switch नहीं होता तो फिर क्या होता है? Joysticks. There are joysticks. अच्छा. Why are you exactly saying that? Because okay, joystick will provide you with gradual change, but a switch is a immediate change. Click, click, click. Is that so?
No,
क्या कहना चाह रहे हो?
a person who is new on the job of using a crane might get confused if he hasn't you ever used a crane before. Plus, if the battery which is providing electricity, he will might get discharged, then you can't even use the crane thing anymore if you're in in the middle of the desert or something. So you can be trained, no?
No, but that is what ठीक है. Maybe your point might be right. I have to think over it, but I understand what you're saying. Okay, तुम कुछ बोल रहे थे?
No, I was saying that so you can be trained, no, by someone.
No, before also. You have no question to him.
That's why, sir, we use hydraulics, because the water will never get over inside the hydraulic. One more reason can be water converts into electricity, and that process takes time.
Water converts into electricity. तुम डैम की बात कर रहे हो? डैम नहीं है अभी.
No, we need electricity. We need.
यहाँ पे कोई वाटर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में कन्वर्ट नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑयल यूज होता है. पहली बात तो ये है. और अगर वाटर यूज हो भी रहा होता तो यहाँ पे वाटर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं बन रही है.
नहीं, मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ अगर हम स्विचेस यूज इसलिए नहीं करते क्योंकि जैसे पहले मोटर को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो उसमें प्रोसेस में टाइम लग सकता है, इसलिए वाटर तो रेडीमेड है.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से मोटर को रन करने में क्या टाइम लगता है?
नहीं, बट वाटर को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कन्वर्ट करने में टाइम लगता है ना.
कौन वाटर को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? क्या कह रहे हो? वाटर को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में कन्वर्ट? तुम बार बार एक लाइन बोल रहे हो वाटर को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में कन्वर्ट. क्या मतलब इस बात का? व्हाट इज वाटर को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में? मैं समझना चाह रहा हूँ. वाटर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बना रहे हो आप?
यस.
कहाँ इसमें कहाँ बन रही है वाटर से?
ख्याल से ये उसकी बात कर रहे हैं, वो जो वाटर कंडक्ट करता है नहीं.
ठीक है, रुक जाओ. कुछ क्वेश्चन है नीलांशु मोर को आस्क एनीथिंग? या जॉन, एनीथिंग एल्स?
यप.
John, I have one more question. What are you doing, John? I have one more question.
Okay.
This hydraulic thing is impressive and everything, but I do not really understand still how it works. That is what is the point of the presentation. We need to understand how it really works.
Okay.
So it's not just about coming and saying something. You have to actually make them understand in depth how different parts are working, why different parts are there. That is why the framework. If you follow that properly, you will not miss a thing, I'm sure. Okay. Anything you want to add? Quickly add it so that we need to wrap up now.
Okay. So, have you seen hydraulic press?
Yeah.
Okay. So they also use a hydraulic here.
Can you move your project a little bit? It's not visible.
What is it? Hydraulic what? Hydraulic press. Okay.
No, this is not how it works. Take another pen now.
Okay. Take another pen now. So, if they push this hydraulic here, I told you about the liquid thing. And the liquid comes here and crushes things. And also it decreases human effort. So instead of crushing a can like this, you're crushing a can like this. A human is struggling to do that. It's like they are crushing it like. So this is very soft. Everyone can crush it like this. The same thing. The same thing the hydraulic does to the harder things. So this is crushed like this. But if it's a very hard thing like this, then they can't crush it. So this is a can. So now it's being crushed.
It's okay, John. We're repeating the same thing again and again. Uh, Fine. I'll give you more research work on this. We'll pack up now.